Welcome. In today's guide, we'll walk you through the steps to change the additional languages for the content you see on X, formerly Twitter, using your PC. This feature allows you to customize your feed and interact with content in multiple languages. Let's get started. First, open X in your browser and log into your account. Once you're on the home page, look at the left-hand side menu. Here, you'll find a variety of options. Click on the More icon. It's usually represented by 3 dots. Next, select Settings and Privacy from the drop-down menu. This will take you to the settings page where you can manage various aspects of your account. From here, click on your account. Under this section, select Account Information. You may need to enter your password for security verification. Once inside Account Information, scroll down until you find the Languages section. Click on it, and then select Additional Languages you speak. This is where you can add or modify the languages that influence the content displayed on your feed. To change or add languages, simply check the boxes for the languages you want to include. Once you've made your selections, click Done to save your changes. Your feed will now reflect content in the selected languages, enhancing your browsing experience. And that's it. You've successfully updated your language settings on X using your PC. By following these steps, you can enjoy a more personalized and multilingual experience on the platform. Thank you for tuning in, and happy browsing.